Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 11:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shabbona to near Leland to near Earlville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Sandwich, Shabbona, Sugar Grove, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, Maple Park, Newark, Leland, Millington, and Lee. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 96 and 109. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no